Hello everyone, my name is Dile Margareta, 000034241, and I'm from Batch 3 Hotel Operations Program 2019, Business Faculty. Today I want to explain and present about basic cooking principles dry heat methods. So dry heat methods is conducted without moisture or hot air, hot metal, radiation, hot fat, with fat or without fat. Dry heat methods include roast, bake, broil, grill, griddle, and pan broil. Roast and bake. Roasting is to cook food by surrounding them with hot, dry air, usually in an oven, and applies to meats and poultry. And baking, it applies to bread, pastries, vegetable, and fish. And for the barbecue, it is to cook with dry heat created by the burning of hard wood or by the hot coals of this wood. To cook with a specially designed smoke ovens or cookers. The second one is broil. To cook with radiant heat from above. A rapid, high-heat cooking method that is usually used only for tender meats, poultry, and fish, and for a few vegetable items. And I want to explain the several rules of broiling. The first is use higher heat for thinner pieces and for items to be cooked rare. The second one is preheat the broiler. The third one is use lower heat for larger, thicker items and for items to be cooked well done. And the fourth is turn foods over only once to cook from both sides, but to avoid unnecessary handling. Grill, griddle, and pan broil. So for grilling, cooking on an open grid over a heat source or charcoal, an electric element, or a gas-heated element. Cooking temperature is regulated by moving the items to hotter or cooler place on the grill. For grill meat should be turned to achieve desired grill markings, just as in broiling. And for griddling, is cooking on a solid cooking surface called griddle, with or without small amounts of fat to prevent sticking. Eggs and pancake are cooked on a griddle. And pan broiling, cooking like grilling in a salted pan or skillet. And this is the picture of griddling, and this is a pan broil. And then saute. Saute is to cook quickly in a small amount of fat. And the principles of saute is 1. Preheat the pan before adding the food to be sauteed, and do not overcrowd the pan. And pan fry. To cook in a moderate amount of fat in a pan over moderate heat. It is similar to sauteing, except that more fat is generally used and cooking time is longer. Done lower heat than sauteing, and the amount of fat depends on the food being cooked. And the frying. I want to explain about the guidelines for deep frying. First, discard the pan fat, and then avoid frying strong and milk-flavored foods in the same fat, if possible. Third, fry as close to surface as possible, and protect fat from its enemies such as salt, detergent, heat, oxygen, water, and food particles. Pressure frying. Deep frying in a special covered fryer that traps steam given off by the food being cooked and increases the pressure inside the kettle. And this is the picture of pressure frying. The conclusion is to cook food in several ways described. And thank you.